Hello, my dear student. Today we will talk about volume of press. Our lesson today is so easy, and that because we have today only one rule. So if you know the rule and you understand it and try to save it, you can solve any question in our lesson today. So it will be so easy on you. Okay? So are you ready to start? Let's start. First of all, you need to know that the volume of three-dimension figure is measured of space occupied by it. It measured in cube units, such as what? Hmm, Such as cube centimeters or cube inches. Okay? So you need to know that when we want to find the volume, the unit of it, we must write the cube. Okay, so don't forget that, it's so important. Right, and you should know that this is the picture of the rectangular prism. Okay, we need to know that this line or this edge represent the length, this one represent width, and that represents height. And don't forget that length times width, because the rectangular prism it's based in the shape of rectangle, right? So length times width equal b, and b here represents area of the base. So the letter b represents area of the base, and it's equal length times width. Okay, until now I didn't tell you what's the rule of the volume. Now let's see it. The volume equal length times width times height. See, it's so easy. So all what you should do here, in any question you will see that you will have three numbers. All what you have, just take these three numbers and make it times together. See, so easy. Okay, maybe in the question he will tell you that area of the base, and he will give you the height. So in this way you will use that. Volume equal b times height. So v represents volume, L represents length, W represents width, and H represents height. Okay, you got it? That's great. So let's see the first question we have today. Okay, here he wants from you. Find the volume of each rectangular prism, round to the nearest tenth if it's necessary. So you need to find the volume, and if we have a long decimal number, we can make round to the nearest tenth. Okay? So are you ready to start? Let's do it. Okay. Here he gives this picture, it's rectangular prism, and he wants from you to find the volume. First of all, let's write the rule. Okay, I will help you in the first question, but in the second, I want from you to answer it, okay? Let's see it. What is the volume of rectangular prism? Who can tell me? Come on. Try to remember. We just said it. Super, that's correct. Volume equal length times width times height. Okay, and that equal what? If you look carefully in the picture, you will see that I already gave you three numbers. So that will be 7 times 3 times 3, and that will equal 63. And because here we find the volume, it will be 63 cube centimeter. Okay, Miss, I cannot make times for 3 digits in the same number. Okay, we can make it in two steps. How that? You will take two numbers. For example, I will take the 2 digit. Miss, I don't want to take the first 2 digit. I will take the second and the third. It's okay. Let's do it. It's up to you. You can do whatever you like. The important for me, find the correct answer. So if I want to take the second and the third digit, 3 times 3 equal 9. Okay? Let's make it times with the first number, that was 7. So that will be 7 times 9 equals 63. So when you find that, or when you see that you need to make times for 3 or more than that digit, make it easy on you. Just make it groups, make it in steps. Take each 2 digit together, then continue. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, we're still in the same required. He want from you to find the volume. Okay, so now I want from you to solve this one alone. So please stop the video, try to solve this one alone, then play the video again, compare your answer with mine. But before you do that, I'm sure your answer will be correct. Okay, now stop the video and I will wait for you. Okay, my dears, welcome back. So tell me, what is the role of the volume of a rectangular prism? Can you tell me it's equal what? Super, I can hear you. One of you tell me that volume equal length times width times height. That's great, my dear. So that will equal what? Yeah, you tell me that, Miss, if you look carefully, you will see the three numbers that we need in the picture. That's correct. And that will equal 10 times 5 times 6. That's equal 300 cubic inches. Okay? Now let's see the next one. Okay, Miss, we have here mixed number. Okay, where's the problem? Let's make it in steps to see it's so easy, don't worry. Okay? First of all, tell me, what is the rule of volume of rectangular prism? It's equal what? Yeah, volume equal length times width times height. That's great. Let's write the numbers. Well, 4 times. Miss, we have here 2.5, 4 and 3 over 4. Well, we can change this mixed number to decimal to make it easy on us to find the answer. Okay, we know that 2.5 equal 2.5 and 4 and 3 over 4 equal 4.75. Miss, I'm not remember this mixed number. What is the volume of this mixed number? I don't remember. I don't remember that 2.5 equal 2.5. It's okay. If you don't remember, it's okay. Just make a draft here. Okay, write the half. And of course, you know the golden number. That's mean when we have a number in the diameter, in denominator, we need to change this number to be 10 or 100 or 1000 to able to write this fraction as a decimal. So we know that when we see 2, we will make it times 5. And of course, like we do down, we will do it up. 5 times 1 equals 5. And 2 times 10 and 2 times 5 equal 10. Now we have 5 over 10. So if I want to write it as a decimal, we will write the number in denominator, that was 5, over 10. The 10 has 1 0, that's mean we will put the point after one digit, 1. So we will put a point here. So the half equal 0.5. So we have here 2. So we will write 2.5. That's it. So let's get back for our rule. That will be 4 times 2.5 times 4.75. Okay, we can make it in steps. How that? We will make 4 times 2.5, then the result we will make it times 4.75. Okay, now I want from you to take your time, think with me. 4 times 2.5 equal what? Super, I can hear one of you tell me that's equal 10. And it will be 10 times 4.75. When we make any decimal number with any decimal number times 10, 100,000, all what we need to do, just move the point, okay? Times 10. The 10 has 1 0, so we will move the point one step. And don't forget, we will move it right. When we make times 10, 100,000, we will move the point right, okay? Times 10, that means we will move one step. So the answer would be 47.5. It's feet here, so that will be cube feet. Okay? You get it? That's a great. Let's see the last question that we have today. Okay, tell me the rule. I know by now you of course have the rule. So tell me the rule. Volume of rectangular prism equal what? Great, great job. I can hear you. It's equal length times width times height. And of course, like we said before, if we look carefully in the picture or in the question, we will see that he gave it to us the three number that we need to find the volume by it. So that will be 15 times 4.8 times 9.6, and when we make that we will get 691.2 cube inches. Okay, you got it, my dear? Don't forget, when we have three numbers that we need to make times, just make it in two steps. Take the first two digits, then the result, make it times the third one. Or you can start from the last. Take the second and the third digit, the second and third numbers, make it times, and take the result, make it times the third number. Okay? That's a great. And now, my dears, I have to tell you that our session is just ended. So I hope you understand the lesson. Bye, and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.